Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. Alright, Jelly Beans, you're going up and down today because I am in my car. I'm not driving it, but you're on my mirror mount. Not my mirror mount, my windshield mount. My phone. Got two boxes here. This stuff is from Whatnot in both boxes, and both boxes are not cars. I've been telling y'all that I get other stuff than Diecast. The first box is Diecast. This is from Redheaded Mama from Whatnot. I'll put her link down below so you could go check her out. I would also put my link down below so you get that $10 in-app credit. I grabbed these off the stoop. Where the Redheaded Mama with her tape? I'm not too fond of the post office right now because I've been waiting for a package for almost 6 days. It's been shipped and it has not left the facility that it's in, that it was taken to. The person is going to go to the post office and see what's going on. Apparently she read the review today and found out that there's thieves that working at the post office. Now I told her if they don't give her the packages to call the cops, because this is the second time it's happened from a different seller. This person that I bought from is in Florida, and she's upset because it's not only my stuff, it's 3 other people's stuff, and she's really upset about it. And this is going to make me stop buying from Whatnot because this is the second time it's happened to me from there. But I've had other stuff go missing before from the post office. And other people's going to have to start using FedEx or UPS. There's other shipping people at DHL. There's other stuff out there besides UPS. There's DHL, FedEx, UPS. Happy every day. I bought a couple Lucy's. I'm not really into Lucy's, but this looked pretty cool, so I bought it. The Range Rover, I believe, or no, Bronco, I think. Yeah, Bronco. Pretty sweet. I like that. And this video's going too long already because I don't have a knife. Alright, here we go. Here's another one. Here is a taxi. A a Volkswagen Bug taxi. like this one too. It's pretty sweet. It's a Matchbox buggy. Anything else in there? All right. So we go on the heavily taped bubble wrap, which I appreciate. The people of Whatnot trying to protect the packages, the items in the box. Okay. Ooh, yeah, I forgot about this. 1968 Pontiac GTO. It's a nice looking ride. I like that because I bought it. Alright, what do we got here? We got a 1965 Mercury Comet Cyclone. I think this is the very first Mercury I got. The first Mercury I purchased. I like this. Pretty sweet. Skinny tires on the front, fat on the rear. I fat shamed the tire. What in the heck is this? Freebie, thank you for the promo, Gibby. Mattel Dreamobile. What in the heck is this thing? Thank you, redheaded mama. But what in the hell did you send me? Alright, time for the second heavily packaged bubble wrapped stuff. Ooh, yeah. There we go. I remember this. I saved this from getting ripped open. It's a 1937 Bugatti. She wanted to rip it open. I said, not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. And I knew the package was horrible. Alright. There's a car that she never gives away or sells or anything. Here's a 2023. I'm saving that one for last. I was just talking about 2023 Dodge Ram 1500. This was a free car. It's new for 2024. Okay. Here is a whatever year Volvo 240 Drift Wagon. It's a nice car. I like it. Very nice. That's why I bid on it. And it also has two puppers in the back window, if you didn't know. Okay, now for a vehicle that you have to pry out of her fingers is a El Camino. 1980 El Camino. She does not sell her El Caminos. I got one. I guess I was lucky. It's pretty neat. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Alright. Let's get with this box. Redheaded Mama's link will be down below. Let's get with this box. Is this going to be a little easier to rip open for me or what? Yes, it was easy for me to rip open. I got a charger. By seeing this, you know exactly what I got. Ooh, this is nice. Yeah, it has some scuffs on it, but it's a Dell laptop. And it's on. It's on. It works. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Gotta set the date on it. I mean the time, but it's pretty cool. I like this a lot. Has some scuffs on it, but it's okay. I'll take it. So thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.